Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to draw an eagle. Just take a point and make a curve just like letter C. Make another curve and join the curves like this and make the head of eagle. Now make the eyebrows. Make little upside eyebrows. Now make the eyes with the help of oval. Take another 2 points. Make upside down curve. Another curve for the beak. Make a letter V. You will get a beautiful sharp beak. Now make the hair. You can simply make letter V and join together like this. See, every time you can make a letter V and you will get the head of the eagle. Now make another curve both the sides and you will get the body of the bird. It should be pointed at the bottom. Now make the legs. An eagle has very strong legs, so you can make thick legs. Again, see, you can make letter V and you will get the legs. Now we are going to make the wings with the help of curves. Make the feathers with the help of simple lines. Both the side do the same thing. First make a curve, then make the feathers up and down, simple lines. Now we can make the tail. Let's make the legs, claws, little bit of curves, pointed sharp nails. Both the side do the same drawing. Now make the tail. An eagle has very broad tail. Sleeping line and join it with a slanting line. Now once you are done with the sketch pen, you always erase the pencil work. By erasing the pencil, you will get a neat and clean drawing. Let's do the coloring. Always use 2 shades of the same color. Here I am using dark brown for the shadow and the light brown for the body. See, dark brown is showing the shadow and the light brown is for the whole body. detailing in the claws, nails, shadow on the head, and your eagle is complete.